This video answers the question how to buy shares of LBG Media Plc and walks you through the steps. LBG Media Plc is a media production and publishing company listed on the LSE plc under the ticker Lbg.L, and this information is educational, not financial advice. You will need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker Lbg.L to find the listing. Select the result that clearly shows LBG Media Plc on the London Stock Exchange. On the stock page, check the short company profile and the price chart to review recent movement. Confirm the company name, market, LSE plc, and ticker Lbg.L to ensure it's the correct asset. Choose, buy, or trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or handled according to the broker's order types, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio or holdings view after the trade is placed. If you want to follow the exact steps shown, find the example link in the description.